Hey everybody, Jim Schlexer from the CEO Project. I want to talk today about what might be the most famous rule that I've ever developed. And this is a rule that you need to know as a manager and as a leader, and it helped me through my career, and that is the 70% rule. So what does that mean? The 70% rule is designed to give you guidance as to when you can delegate a task. Now there's complication around delegation that I've talked about before and we'll talk about in the future, but the decision to delegate a task is related to the competency of the person that you're sending it to. Now, many times we think, well, they have to be 100% ready. They have to be as good as I am, or maybe better. Well, that's a really high standard. In fact, if you use that standard, you'll find that you never delegate anything or almost ever delegate anything. And we see people caught in that trap that they can never delegate because nobody's quite as good as they are. But if you use the 70% rule, which is to say, if they're 70% as good as you are at the task, delegate it. Now we'll talk about levels of delegation in another video, but you need to delegate that task and allow them to learn the job and grow and get better. And what you may find is that over time, they go from 70 to 80 to 90, and some people may actually be better at the job than you are, but you'll never find out unless you delegate. And when do you delegate? When they're 70% as good as you are. Give it a try.